All right, so as you can see, nothing special about the box. I mean, it does come in a nice finishing and a little soft to the touch. But you also got your Beats Flex headphones. I got mine in black and the red emblem. I just love that color. I mean, they have different options as well, but they also have like a light green kind. But I'll have links to that down below. But as you can see, this is just a regular standard color that I think everybody would like. Just that all black, and it goes with everything. And you can also see that, of course, it says it holds up to 12 hours of battery right off the break. All day wireless earphones. Well, pretty much, yeah, for 12 hours, it's all pretty much all day. But of course, I have to test that out and definitely let you guys know if that is true or not. As you can see here, that it is made for Apple TV, iPhone, and iPad, but it's also available and works well with Android devices as well. So don't be discouraged if you're not an iPhone user, as this does support Android phones as well. So just some quick stuff on the back. I'm not going to read it to you. I'm sure you guys can read and see it for yourself, but it does USB-C charging, and you guys also see that it has this magnetic earbuds with autoplay and pause. We also can see it has one device controls for music, calls, and voice assistant. So all one-stop shop, and it's a pocket-friendly design. So there you go. That's just pretty much how the front of the box looks. Nothing special, you know. Just what it is. So next we're going to open this guy up and definitely see what the inside looks like. And just in case you guys get confused on how to open this up, you don't need a knife to do it. I was about to get my handy dandy knife to open it up, but if you just follow this tab right here, all you have to do is take it, put your finger on it, and pull it across. Bam. And that's it. Just wanted to show you that, show you how that works. So if you want to go run around looking for some scissors or a knife or something to cut this box open, as that tape was just easily all you need to open it up. So you open it up, nothing else in here, put that to the side. As you can see, this is how it looks like in the case. Nice, evenly packaged, nice and organized. I mean, can't get no better than this. It's also got that emblem right in front of you, the Beats emblem. This one is like kind of matte touch, and if you open that up, you also have your charging information, and you definitely have your ear tips, of course. So you have that if you need a different fitting other than the ones that's already installed. Of course, you can definitely have the option of changing those ear tips for your comfortability. But nothing special there. Also, you can see here too that you have a little diagram of the buttons that you need, so there's no guessing, and there's no, it's pretty much straightforward. Just follow the instructions, and that's pretty much it. You can definitely see, keep this handy, and of course I'll demonstrate that as well when I put them on and try them on and everything. So yeah, but here's a diagram for it. So we'll put that down right in here, and we'll just concentrate more on the headphones. All right, that one popped out. Okay, but it's all good. So that's pretty much what it is, and we'll take this guy out and see how it works. So here you go. This is how they look like outside of the case. There's the emblem, of course. You got that nice matted black, and all of the other options as well have the same kind of matted touch to them, no matter what the color is. So just so you're aware, we have the ear tips, of course. Look here, nothing special there, and the same thing with this one. So, like, again, they also talk about that automatic play and pause with the magnetic. So this is what they was talking about. If you put these two together like this, these are magnetic. See? And what that does, so when they're together like this, they're on pause. But if you want to go back and resume your music or your call, all you gotta do is pull them apart and put them on. And you have the nice nylon cable with that nice rubber material, real flexible, as you can see. So, and this is real comfortable. It's really strong. And so they're not like the other conventional headphones where it has a thin wire. These are like the ribbon type flat. So they're definitely good to go in your pocket, and it also will go good around your neck. And of course, here's where everything goes down. Here's your controls. Volume up, volume down, pause, take calls, pair and Bluetooth and everything like that. Again, and also most importantly, here's the charging for your USB-C. So these are nothing too difficult. I mean, again, like it is pretty much straightforward. They're not like the other line of Beats headphones where some might be too complicated, like the over-ear Studio 3s or anything like that, or the Power Beats. But you know, these are just like your good, easy, affordable Beats headphones. So up next, we're going to talk about how they fit and how they sound. So as you can see, like I talked to you about in the unboxing, the headphones are comfortable. And as far as any other headphones on the market, like these are some of the most comfortable headphones that you'll ever put on in your ears. And again, they also noted that these are like your everyday headphones that you'll just grab and go, even not just exercising, but just in the house, maybe doing something, cleaning, and you want to listen to some headphones, or just walking in general. Like these are, they stand true to testament of what Apple and Dre was putting out as far as what these headphones were intended for. Now you will notice too, again, that the have the silicone tips, as all with the other headphones, and they're interchangeable. And these are very, very light, so you just slip them in, and that's it, just like any other headphones. And I will also notice, also want to tell you too, that these doesn't have active noise canceling, but when you got the music turned on, it definitely drowns out all of the sound around you. So if you're somebody who might still want to listen to what's going on around you, then you most definitely want to but you definitely want to turn the volume down, so that way you can hear what's going on around you, the noises and the outside in the street, or somebody talking to you. Because if you have the music turned up even to a moderate level, it drowns out the outside sound. So if you're someone who just really just trying to get in your own mode, in your own zone, then yeah, these, even though they don't have active noise canceling, again for $45, you will be drowning out all the unnecessary sound, and you'll be definitely able to enjoy all your podcasts, your music, your TV, whatever you're listening to on your headphones, with crystal clear audio, all the bass you need, you'll be enjoying them. And also too, in addition to just how good they feel in your ear, these are very, very comfortable on your neck. So as you can see, they're really light, and it's like almost like you just having a piece of string on your neck and you don't even really feel it. But these are super light. So if you're someone who's trying to desire to listen to some, if you let's say if you're running, right, and you don't want, even though you have some over-the-ear headphones or some, just anything, and you want to just have that flexibility of taking them off when you're trying to talk to somebody, or you're taking a break, but let's say you have some workout clothes, you don't have anything clothes like pockets. Well, you don't need pockets with these, again, because these are on a string. So all you gotta do is just put them around your neck, and as you can see, they just hang freely, and you can do what you need to do. Won't go anywhere. I mean, and they're so light that you don't even feel like you have these on your neck. But again, that's what they're known for. So like your everyday headphones. So if you're someone who runs and your clothing doesn't have pockets, so you can't let's say you have the Power Beats or any other type of even AirPods where you can't put them in your pocket for safekeeping, you can definitely just put these put them around your neck and let them hang. That's it. Now for a little bit of the architecture. Now I'm gonna have a full list of all of the major intricate tech specs listed in this video for your review, but just to hit on just a couple of them. Now, as far as the architecture, which is most important, something you should definitely be considering when considering these headphones, is the dual chamber design. Now, what that does, that allows the headphones to, one, of course, breathe. So that way, in between the woofer cone and the earbud itself, that you're going to get not only crisp audio, but you also going to get that bass separation. So when we listening to something like maybe hip hop or anything rock or anything with heavy bass or acoustics, that you actually going to be able to hear that boom and that hit the lows really well. And the lows, of course, with the mids of the voices and everything like that, was going to sound crystal clear. But that dual chamber design allows for the separation of the bass and for the clear listening for your lows and your mids and your highs can all work in sync, so allowing you to get that crisp, clear audio and that boom and that bass that Dre Beats headphones are known for. And just in case you was wondering, when I said dual design, I mean that dual chamber acoustic design that these have built into their architecture. And just so also, which is most important, is the controls. Now, when you first put them on, again, like I said in an unboxing, you will definitely have to take note of the indication on the controls itself, not on the tips like all your other earphones or over-the-ear headphones and what have you, would have the right and left designation indicated on the headphones or the ear parts. But you definitely, on your controls on the Beats Flex, you will definitely see where it says left and right. So definitely make sure you're lining them up to the coordination of what they say as far as left and right, because your controls or what you're going to be using is indicated on that. So on your left hand side, which would be your right looking at the camera, you will notice that you'll have your volume controls and all your other controls. So that way, and for your tracking, like switching tracks or taking your phone calls, all those will be done on your left hand side. Now your right hand side is just for your power. So you just hold them in and that will turn off the headphones. And again, you click it once, it'll turn them on as well too. So it's really simple. Right side for power and on and off. Left side for everything else. Switching tracks, taking your calls, volume up and volume down. And also, in case you're wondering how to pause and play your music, it's really simple, as these headphones will automatically pause and play. Now, let's just say if you're trying to pause your music or what you're listening to, all you have to do is snap them together from back to back, looking at the both beat symbols, and just attach them together magnetically. You pull them apart to start playing, resuming your music, and the pause, you just put them together. That's it. So what that allows you to do is the fact, but naturally, if you're running, of course, you're going to have them in your ear, so it's going to keep playing. Now, we're taking a break and you want to stop, you just take them off and just snap them together. So that's two things. This makes like a little necklace, so that way it won't just come off freely. And two, that just lets the headphones know that, okay, that they're completely off your ear. And this is the headphones way of telling your phone that, hey, they're no longer on the user's head anymore, so just pause the music. And again, you just pull them apart and put them back in your ear to zoom. So now for connecting these headphones, these have the W1 Apple chip built into them, which allows for a seamless pairing relationship between your headphones and your any Apple devices. So just with the AirPods Pros and the regular AirPods, what have you, even the AirPods Max, of course, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And these are no different. As soon as you turn these on and you have your phone on Bluetooth, that these will show up on your screen just like in all the other headphones in the Apple lineup, and you'll actually pair with no problem. And that's even not just with your phone, but even with your iPad, MacBook, iMac, any Apple to Apple device that you got, these will definitely pair with it seamlessly and quickly. And yeah, so with that W1 chip, you definitely have that same pairing ability as you do with all the other headphones in Apple's lineup. So for the big money question, should you buy them? Yes, I recommend that you buy these headphones, not because they only cost $45 in the line of all Apple headphones. Now, we all know how much the other ones cost, and they're nowhere near that price, but they're definitely a different architecture and design headphones. Now, for the price of $45, and for the fact that these headphones do not lack in any quality or listening power, and it definitely offers enough ample battery life to pretty much get you through a day and get along with your daily tasks. Now, that's why I definitely recommend these, especially for people who are, one, on the budget, two, love music, three, like the exercise, and four, just want a simple pair of headphones that are not overly complicated with a lot of buttons and controls, and just so that you can just pretty much, again, do everyday tasks, just listen to your stuff, take a call, listen to your music, and just keep it moving. these headphones are definitely built for that, and they were specifically designed for that, not just because of the small architecture as far as just that string, like wireless but not wireless design, but just for the fact that these are very, really light. They just like the AirPods and any other earphones with the silicone tips, they're comfortable. They don't hurt your ears over long periods of time, and again, the battery life. So if you're someone who was just holding out on just trying to find a good pair of headphones and really wasn't sold on the more higher end brands, not just in Apple's but just from other manufacturers as well, yes, I recommend these. You get these and you will not be disappointed. And they're also great for kids that way too. If you want to give your kids something, you know, something affordable and something that you don't have to worry about them breaking some really expensive pair of headphones, especially for younger kids, and yeah, I'll definitely recommend these. The fact that they're really light, so even for their ears, it's not too heavy or too bulky, and they're really comfortable and they'll enjoy it. So all right guys, so that's it. That's my review of the Beats Flex headphones, which are pretty brand new on the Apple lineup. So definitely check these out. I definitely recommend you purchase them, especially for last minute gift ideas, or if you're trying to get something before Christmas, as these are ready to be shipped immediately. And again, I will have those links listed down below in the description field for your review. So definitely check those out. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video and got some insight on just what you're actually getting from the Beats Flex headphones itself, as far as sound quality, options, and pricing and everything like that. But again, if you have any questions or you want to know more, definitely hit me up in the comment section, and I'll look forward to reading your comments, and I'll definitely get back to you. So again, everything that you see here will be listed in the video description below, notes, so that way you can definitely check these out and get these for yourself or get these for a gift for someone else or anything like that. So again, I want to thank you guys for taking the time out to check out this video. I definitely want to remind you to subscribe to Everyman Tech on YouTube, and I'm also listed on Instagram and Twitter, so definitely check me out, and I'll have those links to my social media channels as well. So again, my name is Darren with Everyman Tech. I want you guys to have a safe and great day. Bye.